On July 19, 2020 in Arkansas, Weston Ramey drove his motorcycle at 100 miles per hour and ignored orders to stop, leading to a 48-minute chase.
All right, he's running out of gas. We're here at the 81. He's fixing to have to jump off.
10-4, I'm calling Roger that.
Hey, he's running out of gas. He's going to bail.
Well, so they were trying to send you to your direction.
Get off the bike, now! Get off!
The chase ended when Ramey ran out of gas.
Get over! Get down!
Give me yours, these are bad.
Ramey was charged with speeding, fleeing, driving without a license, driving without insurance, and driving without registration.
I don't know either, bud. So anyways, I'm going to read you your rights real quick. I got some cuffs on you, so I'm going to read you your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have to